This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Rae Wakelin. This was the model home and it has a unique floor plan: 3 bedrooms plus den and 2.5 baths, heated pool and jacuzzi, 2-car garage in the prestigious Whispering Oaks community. New roof, new floors, new lanai screen and freshly painted exterior and interior. Indoor GenAir grill with 3 cooking options in the kitchen. Vaulted ceiling and plantation shutters and California closets. Desirable location near beach, Fort Myers Airport, the Mercato, Coconut Point and Promenade shopping centers. It is a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Rae Wakelin at 239-280-1200.